Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Exquisite, intelligent, powerful. Lily drone will bring more surprise for you. The fuselage used a plane symmetry structure, unique disc streamline design and built-in LED color lines to show the ultimate charm. Intelligence control system, one-key takeoff, easy to operate. Smartphone connect drone's Wi-Fi with HD camera, real-time image transmission, quick capture of the wonderful moments, aerial photography of the beautiful scenery, easy to record highlights, safe picture and video at the same time, one key to quickly share your vision, altitude hold, lock height, auto hover, one key to switch height or lower speed mode. It can fly in wind environment. Had the highest ability on wind resistance. One key to flip, 360-degree flip. Draw fly path. Drone will base on this path to fly. Turn on 3D split screen function with VR glasses to experience flight. Turn on gravity sensor function. Experience the fun of interactive flying. Headless mode. Reposition drone's direction. Simple and useful. Coordinate with one key to return. Let the drone come back to your side safely. Lily, fly at night. Colorful night lights. More shining in the night sky.
JETJAT Nano C Drone. MOTA's best-selling, highly reviewed JETJAT Nano just got a camera. Fly your very own JETJAT Nano C indoors or out. Simply turn it on and start recording. It's compact for travel and incredibly fun to fly. Ultra fast, super responsive, and extra smooth in the air. Takes off from almost anywhere, even your fingertips. The JETJAT Nano C is the perfect recreational partner for anyone to perform amazing flips. With Nano C, you can record the fun on a micro SD card, upload your fun, and share laughs with friends and family. And when you're done flying, just recharge from any USB device. Available in black or red. JETJAT Nano C. Only from MOTA.